In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge layers in Affinity. Now, the first thing you need is, of course, multiple layers. So as you can see here, I have 3 layers. I have this background and random image and then a star as well. So let's say I want to merge these. What you can do is you want to come to the very right-hand side over here, and then you want to click on the first object or the first layer. And then, of course, you could hold down your Control key if you want to select a specific layer from the list like this, and then those are going to get selected. Or if you want to basically go from one to the other and then the entire thing in between is going to get selected, you can just hold down the shift key, click on it, and just like that, as you can see over here, everything has been selected. You can then just right click and click on where it says merge selected, and everything is going to be merged. It's going to basically take a few seconds for this to actually process, and when that's done, these things, there we go, as you can see, there now basically one object, one layer, and everything got merged. So let me actually revert this. What you could also do is, if you have certain things visible on your selection over here, you could just right click anywhere in here and click on merge visible, and what this will do is it will just merge the things that are currently visible over here. So if I do right click merge visible, as you can see, it's going to merge only these two first layers because these two are visible and then the third one is not. Okay, so this will create a separate one, as you can see, and that's that. So that's how you merge. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.